This presentation will explain direct objects and indirect objects. A direct object is a noun or pronoun that receives the action of a verb or shows the result of the action. It answers the question who or what after an action verb. So to find a direct object, first look for prepositional phrases in the sentence. The direct object will not be in the prepositional phrase. Next, find the subject of the sentence. Who is doing it? What's happening? Third, find the verb. Label it as either linking or action. If it's an action verb, then look for the noun that receives the action of the verb. Label it as the direct object. Linking verbs can't have a direct or indirect object. They take predicate adjectives and predicate nouns. A good trick to find out the direct object is to ask yourself what is being and insert the verb there. Look at this example. The boy gave Susie apple baby food. There is no prepositional phrase. Find the subject. Subject is boy. Find the verb. Gave. It's an action verb. The boy gave what? The food is being given. The direct object is food. In example 2, identify the prepositional phrase, subject, verb, and direct object. Gary is the subject. He likes, that's the action. He likes what? He likes potatoes. That's the direct object. With sour cream is the prepositional phrase. The direct object cannot be part of the prepositional phrase. Indirect objects. What are indirect objects? The indirect object comes before the direct object and tells to whom or for whom the action of the verb is done and who is receiving the direct object. There has to be a direct object to have an indirect object. Indirect objects are usually found with verbs of giving or communicating, like give, bring, tell, show, take, or offer. An indirect object is always a noun or a pronoun and is not part of the prepositional phrase. So like with direct objects, first find the prepositional phrase in the sentence and eliminate it. Next, find the subject of the sentence. Third, find the verb. Label it as either linking or action. 4. Look for the noun that receives the action of the verb. Label it as the direct object. 5. Look for the noun that tells to whom or for whom the action of the verb is done. A good trick to find out the indirect object is to ask yourself for whom or to whom is the direct object being, and insert the verb there. Example again. The boy gave Susie apple baby food. There is no prepositional phrase. Boy is the subject. Gave is the action verb. Ask what is being given. The food is being given. Is the direct object. Next, ask whom or for whom is the direct object being given. It is being given to Susie. Susie is the indirect object. Practice this one. Identify the prepositional phrase, subject, verb, direct object, and indirect object. Prepositional phrase is for good luck. The subject is mother. Gave is the action verb. Mother gave me what? A shiny penny. The penny is the direct object. Gave the penny to whom? To me. Me is the indirect object. Review this until you got the pattern down. It follows a pretty simple pattern that you just need to practice. Good luck.